important sum. We have to prove these two things. SL is equals to LR, SL is equals to LR and LN is half of SQ. ये दो चीज़ें प्रूव करनी है, इजी है, उतनी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है अगर ध्यान देके करें तो. हाँ, लेट अस स्टार्ट. सो विल स्टार्ट. We know that angle MLR is equals to angle PSR is equals to 90 degree. Look at the diagram. Angle MLR and angle PSR. Both the angles will be 90 degree because they are angles of rectangle. We have been told that PQRS is a rectangle. PQRS being a rectangle, one angle will be like each of its angle will be 90 degrees, so this will be 90. And once again MNRL is also a rectangle, so this angle will also be 90, so these two angles are equal. Obviously this is in triangle RSP, these two angles are of measure 90 degree. Reason we'll write angles of rectangle. When these two are equal, what can we conclude from that? If you see, they form pair of corresponding angles. They form pair of corresponding angles. Corresponding angles generally form F. तो ये दोनों एंगल जब इक्वल हुए तो ये दोनों पैरेलल हो जाते हैं. यू शुड नो दैट कि जब ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल होते हैं, ये एफ बन रहा है, जब ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल होते हैं तो ये दोनों लाइंस, ये दोनों साइड्स पैरेलल हो जाती है. सो वी राइट एल एम इज पैरेलल टू एस पी. रीज़न corresponding angle test. This is important. At the same time, we know that M is midpoint of PR, which is given to us. If you look at the question, we have been told M is midpoint of PR. So from this, we can conclude. Now here, in triangle RSP, M is midpoint of PR and ML, LM is parallel to SP. So we can prove that L is midpoint of SR. Okay, so we can write L is midpoint of SR. Reason will be converse of midpoint theorem. कन्वर्स ऑफ मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम याद रखो. कन्वर्स ऑफ मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम क्या कहता है? दैट इन अ ट्राइंगल अ सेगमेंट पासिंग थ्रू मिड पॉइंट ऑफ वन साइड एंड पैरेलल टू अनदर साइड विल बाइसेक्ट द थर्ड साइड. आई एम सॉरी, मैंने उल्टा कहा, मतलब थ्योरम तो सही कहा पर अलग दिखाया आपको. दिस इज द मिड पॉइंट, एम इज द मिड पॉइंट, दिस टू आर पैरेलल. So from that we can conclude that L is midpoint of SR. Okay, so we proved these two to be parallel. So we can say that is SL is equals to LR. That is what we wanted to prove. To prove की तरफ देखिए, आपको पता चलेगा. That was the first to prove. Now similarly, in triangle RPQ, we can prove N is midpoint of RQ. Point N is midpoint of RQ. We can prove that. ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ पे भी we can say that this angle is equal to this angle, angles of rectangle. ये और ये rectangle के angle है तो दोनों equal हो जाएंगे, ये दोनों. तो दिस टू साइड्स विल बी पैरेलल. ये एक मिड पॉइंट दिया हुआ है, तो एक मिड पॉइंट है, एक साइड पैरेलल है, तो ऑब्वियसली उससे वी कैन कंक्लूड दैट एन इज मिड पॉइंट ऑफ आर क्यू by converse of midpoint theorem. Okay, so now using this sum becomes very easy. In triangle RSQ, now देखो आपको प्रूव क्या करना है, ln is half of SQ, ln is half of SQ. In triangle RSL, in statement 4 we proved that L is midpoint of SR, and in statement 5 we proved that N is midpoint of RQ. So like in triangle RSQ, L is midpoint of SR, N is midpoint of RQ. So by midpoint theorem, Ln will be parallel to SQ and Ln will be half of SQ. We just need half of SQ, so we'll write that, right? So we'll write L is midpoint of SR from 4, N is midpoint of RQ from 5. So from this what we can conclude is Ln is equals to half of SQ. Reason, midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem क्या कहता है? A segment joining midpoints of two sides. These are two sides in a triangle. A segment joining midpoints of two sides is parallel to the third side and half of the third side. This is parallel to this and this is half of this. So half of this वाला हम use कर रहे हैं midpoint theorem. Thank you. It is easy.